Why am I even doing this?
You bring you one. Got it, got it, got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Stephanie. You guys already know it's your girl Stephanie, and I'm back with a new YouTube banger, YouTube video, YouTube whatever you want to call it, baby. As you guys can see by the title, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, your girl is gonna try something crazy. Yeah, something crazy. I saw someone in YouTube do this and I was like, Stephanie, why not try it? Why not? Cause baby, I don't have no eyebrows. As you guys can see, I have no brows. So we're gonna fill them up with this because your girl has no brows and I wanna try it. I want to try it. So you guys already don't know. If you don't work at me, I'ma just tell y'all because baby, I'ma be big mad. And if I cover my eyebrows, I'ma just laugh. And I hope I can scrub it up because it's not going to be funny at all. So guys, this is the Just Man kit for your bear, but I'm using it on my eyebrows. And I got it in a darkest brown. Like, I didn't want to get it in jet black because I was like, no, if this thing looks like I have a brick on my eyebrows, baby, who's going to go like that? Not me. Not me. So yeah, I got it in a dark brown. Hopefully it still looks blackish. Yeah, it's so hot. Like St. Thomas is so hot. I'm sweating here, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And now let's get into this video. So guys, everything that comes in the kit, let me show you guys because I don't even know what comes in it. So yeah, let's just open it up. Okay, so I guess this is the instructions, and also this is a tray they gave you so you can do your mix right in here. Good, because I had nothing to mix this in. The instructions, we'll see that later. We got some gloves. What else do we got in here? So we got these color base, color developer, something that's coming soon. We got the little bear brush, but your girl don't have no bear, so I ain't gonna use this because this gonna make my eyebrows look like a brick. Incorrect. So I don't show you guys the two developers, and that's all that comes in the box. The thing that I like about this is that it's reusable, so I can reuse this. Like if I want to tint my eyebrows again. I have no brows, bro. That's messed up. And I love to do my brows, but baby, you know what it takes to do your eyebrows? When I do my eyebrows, I literally take a whole hour and a half to perfect them because my eyebrows is not even perfect. Like one is higher than the other, and one is faster than the patience I be having. I know you guys saw my last video, y'all. I dyed my hair, I dyed my wig, y'all. I wanted a pink, but baby, that thing didn't even came out pink. So I think I might re-dye it because I want it hot pink because I wouldn't do it to my hair, so yeah, I'll do it on this wig. Very much giving peekaboo wish, yeah. Oh, I also want to give a shout out to Life with Kai. Not too sure how you say it, but shout out to you, girl. I'm gonna put your little banner or your channel right here. So, and I'm also gonna put the link of your channel so people can go subscribe to you, girl. Love you. And to all my supporters, I love you guys. Like, baby. Oh, good thing you guys couldn't see that. Then now let's put on our gloves. No, wait. I wanted to draw out my eyebrows. because y'all, my eyebrows is not perfect. Like if it was like perfect to the point that I could just boom boom, I would have, but I have to draw them out and make sure they even, because they do not be even at all. So I'm gonna just use a black pencil to draw my eyebrows, and I'm gonna zoom this camera in. Ew, so you guys can see. Y'all tell me why this little thing won't pop out today when I try and do this video. Like, bro, what? Now let me zoom this out because this is ridiculous. So let me draw these eyebrows that I could not even see. So I'm gonna use this to draw my eyebrows and say hi to yourself, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Let me stop, bro. I be doing the dumbest of things. Let's take all these glasses. Pat, 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 pat. Let me turn on the fan while I'm doing this because, baby, I'm hot. Alright, so I try my best to like kind of draw out my brows. You can barely see it, but hey. Yeah. So right now I'm going to be mixing the color developer with the color base. This is the focus. Come on. This is the color base and this is the color developer, and we're just gonna put it right in here, as you guys can see. Yeah, look at that. This thing came bursting out. Like I was not even squeezing it, bro. Oh my gosh. I didn't even have time to put on my gloves or anything. This thing busts out. I'm gonna just have to use everything that's out. But no, I need even amounts. Even amounts. So this is what I'm going to be using to apply it on my eyebrows. So right now I only have the color developer in here. Now I'm gonna put the color base. Let me make sure this one don't burst like the other one. This is how the color is looking. It's getting darker and darker. So I'm gonna start.
take you home and get right into it. No, I gotta kiss it, baby, give it to me. It's right now. You know that I'm just trying to make love. Want you to scream and shout, and baby, we're not leaving it. I'ma slow it down, 'cause I know speed limit. When we're moving in this town, we gon' turn all the way up when the lights out. Why your pussy so damn good, Miss Put that booty up, baby, when I'm on. You know I'ma go crazy when your legs in the air. You know your pretty never getting in the way. You know I kinda like it when you make me work for it. And you got it, side up, girl. Keep that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. You don't need
This is looking weird. I did not add all the way in front because I do want it a faded look. So I was gonna leave the back on for a while. Because as you guys can see, I started from the back going forward. It's going forward, right? From the back going forward because, you know, it has to look faded. And normally hair is supposed to be dark. But baby, I want the fade in front. I'm going to put 2 minutes, and then once the 2 minutes are done, I'm gonna fill the front. The fact that I have this on and I ain't even read the instructions, bro. So the 2 minutes are up, so now I'm gonna fill the rest in, well, just the front. So now I'm gonna wipe this, well, not wipe it out, but I'm gonna clean the areas to make sure I have no errors. And also I'm gonna put 2 more minutes just for the front because baby, we don't want a brick look.
You know I be that right slow, let me like bro, baby I slow, turn your light slow, oh baby, oh, you gon'
2 minutes up already? I'm gonna put another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes because I'm only supposed to leave this on for 5 minutes. And with another 2 minutes, that's 6 minutes. So, whoa. So I'm gonna wait till these 2 minutes are up and I'll get back with you guys. It's almost up, it makes no sense. 2 minutes are up. They're up. They're up. They're up. Bro, if my eyebrows was this dark, bro, it was over for you, bitch. That was my mirror. Oh damn, it moved the whole camera. All I have to do is wipe it off. Like, that's all. I'm scared. I'm scared to wipe this shit off. Oh my god. It gonna get stuck like that in my eyebrow. Let me take this off. No. Okay, so I don't want to start from in front because I just put in front. But then it'll give me the faded look. Yo, I'm scared. I'm scared to do this. Okay. Let's do this. OMG. Bro, at least I look like I have eyebrows. Like, bro, what? Bro, what? Okay, let's take off. I hope this lasts though, to be honest. Oh, dark it is.
I can't be kicking shit like I'm a dealer. Young nigga pulling up inside the Billy truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I remember dead sitting at the trap. I could call the plug, got a cop free. Look up the Pablo Escobar money, beat the Chapo. That's my top 3. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk. Then the cop got hot in the street. You can't have a young nigga that's hot. All my niggas do is robbery. Got about 20 racks in the robin.
Bro, you see the difference? How I had no eyebrows, how I have eyebrows now. Like bro, and they look so good. I need to get my eyebrows micro braided. It's micro braided, micro browed, micro threaded. I don't know. But I need to get them done. Oh my god, you know what's to just wake up and have eyebrows like this? I'm loving this. Bro, what? No concealer, no nothing? Baby. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, do you see that? It looks good to me. It looks good. Probably need a little shape up, but it looks good. Next time, I know I don't need all this product because look at all of that wasted product that I didn't even use. But look like I have eyebrows. So yes, I'm feeling myself. 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 Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. I'm gonna put some concealer and thing on it so you guys could pop out. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in 35 deep, and on top I'm using the Fit Me 338 Spicy Baran. I'm using this on top and this on the bottom, so yeah. Tell me why I thought I was recording and I was not even recording. So yeah, I done started. This is how the brows are looking. I'm gonna show you guys how it looked before and how they're looking now. It's a big difference. Like, to me, it's a big difference to have brows like these without me even having to use a pencil or anything. This looks good. Like, I hope when I wash my face it stays just like this, because we're not playing. We're not playing. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And see you guys in the next one. But y'all, they're looking so good, bro. Like, do you see these brows? No, you don't see them. You don't see them. They look good as. So it looks so good. I'm in love with my brows. Okay, bye guys.
You claim you want me, but it